Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be, if you watched my last video, you know that I've been working on building a 3D printed lawnmower. Today we've got a few upgrades to it because the last one didn't make it very long. And as you can see, we're going to be putting it through the gauntlet. A few upgrades have been made to it. I'll tell you all about them in the aftermath. The first and probably most important one is an aviation receiver. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, that was a good sign. The disc didn't come off or break. Let's go see what happened. Not really a great job. I know. This is my second time mowing with an RC. Okay. You can see the trailer separated. Not a big deal, we can fix that. You guys just hang out for a second. Alright, got it put back together now, guys. I have a feeling I am expecting that to happen again. I think it's just a factor of the design. What happened is these beams pulled out of these clamps, which are printed out of PLA. They're not particularly strong, but not the end of the world. Let's see. Ooh, motors. The motor's really quite toasty. PLA blades are starting to wear around. These are the ones that were on the disc in the last video. Still seem to be doing a reasonably decent job. I got some fresh ones inside if we end up needing those. Where are we on battery life? We're 1 bar down on each. However, those batteries are getting warm. Not sure we're gonna have enough go to get the whole yard done, but we certainly made a dent. I'd say we're getting pretty close to about 1/3 of the yard. Kind of a crappy mow job, but that's the driver's fault mostly, I believe. Not entirely. Seems like on the left side of the disc it likes to leave a trail of slightly taller grass. I don't know if the camera picks that up. You can see it right here. That's it too. Anyway, let's keep on mowing. Contact. Just my luck. Hang on just a second. Well, that makes sense. Dummy me. I was smart. Set a throttle cut so that I wouldn't chop a finger off with this thing. Forgot to turn it off for that last try. Let's do it the right way this time. Contact. Alright, boys and girls, so battery on the GoPro died there, so I had to switch to my phone. We're done. We didn't finish the yard, obviously. That makes things easier. But the battery is dead. The E-MAXX will no longer move. And our two M18s, I don't know if we're going to be able to see them on the camera. 1 bar and 1 bar, and they are particularly hot. As for the mower itself, lots of carnage all over the place. Whew. That motor is hot. Yeah, if I'd kept the PLA motor mount, it would have melted by now. Oof, I can't even keep my hand on it. Battery box is getting kind of warm. I bet the ESC's got some good temperature to it in there. That is PLA, but it seems like it's holding up all right. The blades are actually doing not too bad. They still move, unlike they did on the last time. That last disc started to fail around the perimeter, and the blades were tilting downwards under centrifugal force. They're not very sharp anymore, but they're doing the job. And the disc seems to have held out spectacularly. I'm loving this thing. Oh, I need to pay attention to the camera more, don't I? Still covered in grass everywhere. I think it's time to get the leaf blower and blow this thing off. And I'm gonna leave the power on with the E-MAXX right now. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera, but there's a small fan in there. As soon as I turn the power off, the ESC fan will turn off. But because of what we've been doing to it, I'm just going to leave that fan running for a little bit. The battery will be fine. And there it is. Proof of concept. Experiment 2.1. Excuse me, 1.2. This is not a final product. This is not an acceptable result for the final product. This is simply a proof of concept leading up to the design and construction of a 3-bladed version, I should say 3-disc version of this. It'll be self-propelled, so no more E-MAXX. It'll be powered by the M18 batteries entirely. Probably going to use the 12 amp hour heavy duty batteries that I've got. And not sure how long it's really going to last, but it's going to be a lot of fun. I just want to say, my push mower would not have made this look easier. This grass, so I am 6'4". This grass is knee high. This is a dang hayfield out here. Let's see how close I got to the back fence. I was a little bit nervous about getting too close back here. I did pretty good, actually. Not too close at all. Just taking out this thick, heavy, whatever that is. Just taking it out without too much trouble. All right, time to get out the push mower and finish this job. Until next time. More 3D printed lawnmower carnage to come.